Yes, so my research is focusing on acute myeloid leukemia, and that is a really heterogeneous disease. And we have large data from the HOVON studies, but if you really want to look into subgroups, it's going to be difficult. But especially since we have this personalized medicine that we like to have, it is really essential that we know these subgroups and that we can characterize them and see what kind of risk classification they belong to. And we did a lot of research, but we got stuck in the numbers of patients in a specific subgroup. So I think it's really wonderful to have the Harmony data, that you can combine a lot of data, especially on these AML patients that are so heterogeneous, so that we can really look into this subgroup. So I'm really, really curious also in this meeting how far we will come, and I think that based on the data that's present now, we will have really nice results.